Good evening, class. I hope you're all doing well and had a good Labor Day weekend. Just a few reminders. This is the website for all your homework and your tests online. Of course, your final exam will be seated. A lot of you have registered and signed in already, which is great, but a lot of you have not. Just to review, you register here as a student. Once you've registered, you go to the sign in. So I'm going to sign in. And your screen will look very similar to mine once we get to the main screen. There it is. You click on our course. Should say Math 125.70, Finite Math, and there is your course. All right. Just a few reminders. Homework. You should be working on the homework assignments that are listed here. They are due on the 11th at 11:59. Some of you have already started to work on these. Right now, if you're complete sections 1, 1, 2, and getting ready for homework 4 and 4.1 this week, that is a great starting point to get your work completed. So just a couple of reminders. If you click on homework, you have the homework questions here. You can click on a homework question, and on those homework questions, you have options for help. Help me solve this problem, view an example, takes me to textbook where the questions are. Ask my instructor, sends an email, and I can work it out through email with you. And of course, you can print them out. So just a reminder, these are your assignments that you have to complete. I may be adjusting the due dates, more on that to come towards the middle of the week, probably more like Thursday or Friday. But those are your assignments you have to complete. A couple reminders underneath Multimedia Library, you have access to a lot of tools. You go to the chapters, chapter 1, section 1.1, and I can select video, multimedia textbook, and PowerPoint. And all these resources will come up for you. You have all these videos discussing how to do these certain types of problems. You have PowerPoints for the entire section, and you also have the textbook. This works for all the sections. For example, if I go to chapter 4, and you have section 4.1. So click Find Now, and you can see all these different videos that you can watch. Okay? One other piece of information under Tools for Success. If you're needing assistance with a graphing calculator, there's a graphing calculator tutorial there for you as well. I'll be posting some videos this week on how to do some specific type problems out of 4.1 and 4.2. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time, and I'll be more than happy to go over those. Also, I have office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 to 12. If that does not work, I still can be on campus after my class finishes my seated class at 1:30, and I can meet you then at my office. So, any questions, email me. You can always send me a text as well. So that's all for right now. You should be focusing on your homework assignments and completing everything up to 4.1 this week. Thank you, and have a good night.